Hey sisters, guess what? I got new shoes, some Crocs. Let's open them. Whoa. So here they are. It's bumpy inside. It has a crocodile. You can wear it like this or like this. It says Crocs. And right here, it's rainbow. Even sparkly rainbow. And it's so bumpy right here. And it matches with all your clothes. I love them. They're so cute. I like the crocodile right here. And guess what, sisters? You could decorate the top with these jibbitz. They come with all of these. Like a rainbow, unicorn, hat, donut. What, I don't know. This is how they look with the jibbitz. How would you wear them, sisters? Blank or with jibbitz? I choose jibbitz. Tell me right here. Well, I'm going to go chill with my new Crocs. But I hope you have a wonderful day. Ooh, sushi.